don't know, guys. Y'all think these will look good on these too? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to get an up-close review on the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 rookie card away, right? So, a lot of names for this shoe, man. And I'm humbled because I said I wasn't buying this shoe. But I seen a picture of a guy getting proposing to his wife in them. I went out the other day. I seen it on people's feet. I had to have the shoe, man. And ironically, in the beginning of the video, I joked about the blue Trophy Room laces matching with these. But what's crazy is this yellow wax laces here. That's the reason I brought the shoe. So it is something with the laces, guys. It is something. But yeah, man. If you watch the channel, I appreciate you. Thank you. Y'all know I had the Jordan 1 Trophy Rooms. Them sneakers sat up here for like almost a year, and then rumors of the Lost and Founds was coming out. And I was like, I'd rather have the Lost and Founds. I wound up selling them. I kept my blue laces. And I think I got like $1,300 from them. And of course, y'all remember my review of the new Sheriff in Town Trophy Room Jordan 7s. That was an early review, may I add. It was just too flaky. The white was just flaking off right in my hand. So I wound up getting rid of those. But I did give y'all fire how to style of those. So if you still own that sneaker, check that out. And we've been talking too much, man. Let's magnify this, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Now off rip, man. Off rip. The presentation alone is enough to want to own this sneaker. Trophy Room does great with presentation. Bad with drops, great with presentation. So you get like a fadeaway, classic, old Nike Jordan 1 box. You can make out what it say, but I love the fadiness of that. And that's all through the box. Even on the side, other words, what it say, limited edition, official edition. Everything's faded, guys. Even Michael Jordan's signature right there is faded away. Very, very dope. The side, the 1985 Jordan 1 logo, everything is faded, guys. The tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG SP Cell Black Varsity Red Muslin. And if that wasn't dope enough, you get a box in a box. So the sneakers come in this clear, what's the word for this? I can't recall right now. Acrylic box. And then you get the large red, white, and blue poster. I like this blue, even though I think it's supposed to be like a faded dark blue, like the American flag, being that it's old 1985 rookie card. So I like that. It reads premium issue Jordan basketball, 1 pair of shoes, 2 extra lace sets with the Trophy Room logo at the bottom. And here's a 360 view of the away Jordan 1 Trophy Room joints rookie card. I got a gripe. I felt like we should have got a rookie card. But let's get into this shoe. When you say luxury, this is what you mean, guys. That satin ain't nothing to play with, man. Trophy Room logo embroidered in the satin. The satin comes all the way up. I would have liked to see the highs look like this. But that material is sick, man. You get an embroidered Nike swoosh sketched right in there, stitched right in there. On top of them, I guess that's the Muslin colorway. Looks more grayish to me. That gotta be gray. That's not Muslin. But it matches the toe box. Same color. Just like the Travis Scotts that just came out with the yellow and the gray. Same kind of hits too. In the back, got the gold Jordan 1 wing logo. Very dope, man. This material here, it looks like some kind of wool or carpet, but definitely great texture and definitely quality. I like this tongue, man. You got like an off-white, that's the sail colorway with the red. This screams vintage, man. I really like this tongue, and it looks like the red is bleeding in a little bit on the back, but I really, really like this tongue, man. Comes in the black wax laces, but like I told y'all in the beginning of the video, the yellow ones caught me. The yellow ones made me buy this sneaker, guys. But the black ones are dope too. No shoe tree, some tissue paper. The inside of the left is in that nice blue, like I told you, the faded blue. But I really, really like this blue. I just did a video about some Supreme tees, and I said I got too many tees that colorway, but I love that colorway. You get a baby Jordan Jumpman on the inside of that. On the right side, you get like tennis green in the inside with the Trophy Room logo there. And speaking of logos, in that wool, you do get a Michael Jordan signature there. They should have made that red or to sell a different color so that could kind of look. Matter of fact, they should have just made it gold. Just make the back match all together. But that's in black. You do get Michael Jordan signature there. The bottom looks vintage, guys. It looks vintage. Like, it looks like 1985. I really like it. That mousseline, that sail, that all that's there, man. I really like that colorway. But look at the shine on the satin, man. The shine on the satin is sick, man. The holes for the shoelaces is in the same color as the satin, so it's red on red. Just different material. Man, this sneaker's put together. The bottom, if you've seen one Jordan 1 or a Dunk, it usually looks like this. They opted to do it all red, though. But I could tell you, laced in this yellow, I'm going to do like a short with it laced in the yellow. This yellow laces is what got me, guys. This got me. This on this shoe makes this shoe look out of this world. What a difference a lace make, man. Yeah, man. Quick review on the Trophy Room away joints. I know y'all probably seen a whole bunch of these reviews, but it ain't no review like a sneaker nose review, man. You feel what I'm saying? But honestly, I just wasn't gonna buy these, man. Like, after the Jordan 1 Trophy Room highs, the backwood with all the backdrops and all that stuff, and then the Sheriff in Town joints being, I was off these, but man, seeing pictures with those yellow laces, seeing it on foot, I was like, man, I gotta get these, man. I had to double back, of course. I got them from GOOO. I think I paid like $380 or something, but I had so much GOOO credit it didn't even like hit me out of pocket. But $380, I ain't even mad, man. I really like these, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these. And my question is, if these the away, then what's the homes? I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.